Hi, this is José Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Today I'm going to show you an apartment in Camins al Grau neighborhood in Ramiro de Maeztu Street. And well, this apartment is located in a residential neighborhood with a lot of supermarkets, stores, and well, it's a great place. It's very well connected with the rest of the city by bus and by metro. You have a metro station just in 2 minutes walking, the Amistad metro station that connects to the airport and to the beach. And well, it's as I told you, it's a great place to live here in Valencia. It's very close to the Polytechnical and University and the University of Valencia. And well, this apartment, it's a third floor with an elevator, has 5 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and I'm gonna show you. And here we have the entrance hall. This is the main entrance, and here we have a closet. And in this hall we have a sofa, some tables, and another closet. And here we have the corridor, and the first door on my right is the bedroom number 1. In this bedroom we have a double bed, a table and a lamp, a sofa, and you have a desk with 2 chairs, a mirror, a chest of drawers, a wardrobe, and a window with interior patio views. Well, next door on my right is the kitchen. And in the kitchen we have a fridge with freezer, microwaves, some cabinets, drawers, an electrical stove, oven, cupboards, more storage here. Here you have the glasses, plates, mugs, etc. A double sink. And here you have the washing machine and the electrical water heating system. And a window to the interior patio where you have the clothes line. Here you can dry your clothes. And you have a table too and 2 chairs. Next door is the bedroom number 2. In this bedroom we have a sofa, a desk with a chair, a lamp, chest of drawers, a wardrobe, double bed, a bedside table with a lamp, a mirror, and a window close to the kitchen. And again in the corridor, crossing it, you have the biggest bedroom, the bedroom number 3. And here we have a double bed, a bedside table, a window, a mirror, a sofa, a desk, chairs, a chest of drawers, wardrobe, and this glass slide door to go into a fantastic balcony with a table and 2 chairs and views to the street. Okay. So here we have on my left the bedroom number 4. And here we have a double bed, bedside table, sofa, a table with 2 chairs, wardrobe, chest of drawers, mirror, and a window with exterior views. Okay, and here on my left we have the last bedroom, the bedroom number 5. In this bedroom we have a single bed, a chest of drawers, a desk, a chair, a window with interior patio views, a mirror, and a bedside table. And here we have the bathroom. And in the bathroom you have a sink, mirror, some storage space under the sink, a bidet, a toilet, shelving, and a shower. And well, that was all. Hope you enjoyed. Was José Manuel Díaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adiós.